Well, after we caught that brown, looks like we got a nice little visitor over here. Look at that! Right there where my fishing gear is. Is that a good omen? What's up, bud? How you doing? Look at that thing, man. Just look at him. What's up? That's hopefully a good omen for me. When you're fishing current, the best tip is that I can give you is to keep a steady retrieve and your rod tip high, and you have less chances of getting snagged that way. Whether you want to slow it down or speed it up, just make sure you got it at a steady pace on the retrieve with that rod tip about a 75-degree angle. I just got slammed right there. No! Fish on. All right, not the biggest, but hell, I'll take it any day. A nice little brown on the white rooster tail on the good old finesse rod. Whew, it's beautiful. Time to keep, catch, clean, and cook this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Doo, 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 doo. Oh, little bitty one, but hey, I'll take it, baby. Woo, woo. There we go. There we go. Look at that sweet little thing right there. Just dead drifting that. All right, let's let this little champion go. Yeah, I don't know why I was so dramatic on that, but hey! On the fly rod. At the Tuckasegee.